Would you please welcome Andrew Grill?
If we're going to live in a hyper-connected world, what are the things that we need? So I'm going to explain the world of hyperconnectivity with an analogy we're all very familiar with, and that's the human body. The human body is already hyperconnected within ourselves. So let's first look at the senses. Smell, touch, all those sorts of things. These are the body's data collectors. They capture raw information from the world. They convert it into signals that the body can use. They detect danger, opportunity, change, movement, temperature and pressure. So sensors in the body collect real-time data, but they need connectivity to be useful for the body. So this is how we're connected. Our bloodstream, our veins, our arteries, that is the internal hyperconnectivity. In the body, it's the peripheral and central nervous system. It's the network that carries the signals everywhere. It links sensors with spinal cord and brain. It ensures instant communication in the entire body. So what about the brain? That's the cloud. We need a place to store all this information. This is the brain in our heads. It's the central processing service. It handles complex reasoning and long-term decisions. It stores memory, patterns, and learning, and it integrates information from every part of our body. The cloud is the brain. It's powerful. And this is a key in building hyperconnectivity. So all the things that are inside us, we also need in a hyperconnected world. Who here has heard of edge computing? It's a fairly new concept. It's about putting the resource that you need as close as possible. So edge computing in the human acts before the brain needs to be involved. When you touch something hot, the body doesn't wait for the brain to analyze it. You instantly reflect. The spinal cord makes an immediate decision and pulls your hand away. It's fast, it's local, and it's life-saving. This is like edge computing. Processing that happens close to where it's needed rather than having to go back into the cloud. And it is a key component of a hyperconnected world. We're already seeing edge computers in cars. We've got edge computers at the bottom of base stations. Expect to see these small computers close to where they're needed. And we couldn't have a technology talk without talking about AI. So what is AI in the body? It's what we call the prefrontal cortex. Now, I'm not a doctor, so I had to look this one up. It's the part of your brain right behind your forehead. It's basically your decision-making headquarters. It plans ahead, it weighs options, controls impulses, keeps you focused, and helps you make good choices. It predicts what might happen next and manages emotions so you don't react instantly. If your brain was a car, it would be the steering wheel and brakes. So AI and hyperconnectivity go hand in hand.